Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Solar Powered Humans, California. K. Yogi Vinodanand, as usual, and moreover, a part of my practice. Headstand for us together. Eko sadhe sab sadhe sab jai. In Sanskrit, strive for the best, Shakespeare. So, to master one particular posture, not jumping like monkeys. So, Mera Desh Mahan, Yoga Guru Bharat. So, first we have to prove ourselves. As solar powered humans, Vivek Rinpoche, Yoga Tigers, Master of Vajoli, Khechri, Noli, remain in dark at night, Britharian, even without food, remaining for years together. So here I go. Join me. Never miss the sun, gazing sun, morning, evening, setting sun and the rising sun. Then I'll be in my headstand. You have to follow me. In this, it's a place, 19A. Most of the college students, young generation, they'll be joining us tomorrow. So here I go, just gazing without blinking your eyes. Gazing at the sun, I'll come closer. You see, no tears should roll down from your eyes. You have to control 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Slowly, backed up with celibacy. Perfect control on your senses. So here I go, see, I'm gazing on the sun. This is mere demonstration. You can look at my eyes like this for minutes together. Don't forget, Viran Bhogasya Vasundhara. Yeah, message to my Yoga Tigers, Amin, my Muslim friends from Denmark, California. Harlan will be joining us on online to interact with you, the Americans. So, see, after this, I'll be on my headstand. You have to keep following us. When you feel the tears will roll down, you can slowly blink your eyes without blinking your eyes. So, like this, keep increasing your time, and due course of time, it may induce clairvoyance. And vitamin D, ecosystem. Earth is a part of sun. So don't miss setting sun, rising sun. Minimum 5 to 10 minutes. Then see what happens exactly. Full of exuberance, libido, everything. So here I go for my headstand. So it's a part of my life. Never to miss. Eko Sadhe Sab Sadhe, King Asana. And slowly we'll be get rid of all the diseases, anxiety, depression, no mere talks, no flowery speeches. Before, without learning the ABC of English, you just can't think of composing poems. Don't jump directly to Shambhavi, to this, Khechri, Samadhi. Impossible. Slowly. Now here, mastering one asana, King Asana, headstand. Here I go. You can also select any one asana. Okay, Tigers, you can join me. I'm going to be in my asana for now. For the next, could be half an hour, could be 1 hour, depending. So, you have to use this portion, never this. Even in India, I'm saying, they are using this thing, this leads to lunatic asylum. Here, only this. Here I go. Here you can apply your bandhas, mool bandh, means contraction of your anal passage, pelvic region upwards towards your navel. You can see, exhale. So like this, after 1 hour of headstand, your breath comes to a halt, suspension of breath, Kevali Kumbhaka, chattering stops. Chattering of the mind automatically comes to a halt. This is the culmination of yoga. Chitta Vritti Nirodha. And now yoga, the first sutra of Patanjali. And now yoga. It's a very short span of life. We have done everything. We have enjoyed, done. Now it's time, wherever you are, to come to your yoga. Master one asana, no monkey yoga, jumping like monkeys, won't lead you anywhere. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then half an hour. Slowly, eventually you reach 1 hour. See, after your depends practice, your diet, your celibacy, your non-violence. Knowledge is very important. Without following yam niyamas, non-violence, celibacy to an extent, you cannot think of yoga. Merely wasting your time. So like this, don't go haphazardly, not to increase the time. Otherwise you'll have brain hemorrhage, strokes, or any deformity. Gradually increase the time. So it's a mere demonstration for, say, half an hour, 1 hour or something, then you can join us here. Asana Siddham, Mantra Siddham. Without perfecting your asanas, no kriya, no mantra is possible. And the time of perfection is 3 hours 48 minutes. And this king asana induces samadhi automatically. Yeah, you can every day join me live. Try to go fruitarian. If you really want to achieve success in this birth, achieve samadhi, go ageless. In yoga, there is no limit to age. Your brother is 68. And you can make japa, hum and om. If you are reciting om in this, it's more advisable. This is your Udgit Pranayama. Nothing like doing Udgit Pranayama in your headstand. And after 1 hour of headstand, everything finishes. No thoughts. Breath comes to a suspension. Chitta Vritti Nirodha. It's Lord Krishna's Srimad Bhagavad Gita. You have to achieve this. You'll enjoy. like an exuberant child, full of enthusiasm. See the chirping birds, playing children. Wow! This cool breeze. Yeah, practice yoga in the open. So, Tiger Amin from Denmark, a special message for you. Wonderful, you have tremendous amount of energy and how you mastered Noli and your Khechari. Wonderful, Tiger. Now, Tiger Harlan will be joining you online to teaching you Khechari. He's from Florida. And now in India, Kumbh is approaching. I welcome all my yoga tigers. And your peace, will descend on you. Oh, serenity of mind. You have not to think of your breath or anything. Simply increasing your time, and you'll find after 15 minutes of headstand, serenity starts inducing in you. Wow. Jai Shri Krishna. Om Shri Krishnaya Namah. So here the shloka goes, Dhrityaya dharite manah pranendriya kriyaha yogena vyabhicarinya dhritiya sa pasattviki. Means in English, with your meditation, yoga, you have to achieve control on your senses, on your mind and your prana. Then you achieve the firmness which you need to proceed in yoga. No mere talks, flowery speeches, stories. It has nothing to do with yoga. Just practice, practice and practice. Oh, it's hovering planes. It reminds me of Bali, Indonesia. My Indonesian friends, Balinese. Om. And dusk and dawn. These are the two times. It's a nature's gift to the humans. When your Sushumna is open automatically, you have not to make any special efforts. See, now I can see both the nostrils are flowing. It means Sushumna is on. It's automatically because of the time, dusk and dawn, setting sun and the rising sun. Sushumna opens. This is the target of all the yogis, to open the Sushumna. Sushumna is the channel of knowledge. Oh, wonderful. How the children are roaming around. Wonderful. They are full of energy, enthusiasm, exuberance. We have to be, yogi has to be like that all the time. वाह बेटा, आ जाओ आ जाओ, वीडियो में आ जाओ. मैंने कैमरे लगाए हुए हैं बेटा.
किसे बोल रहे हो?
आप लोगों को बोल रहा हूँ बेटा. हम लोग योग करेंगे कल से. हाँ, कैमरे ऑफ नहीं करना. या आप पास में बैठ जाओ आप लोग. हाँ नहीं, मैं सिखाऊंगा ना, कल से सिखाऊंगा आपको. भैया, ओह कैमरा, डोंट डिस्टर्ब द कैमरा. कैमरा ड्रॉप तो नहीं किया? ओके बेटा, ओके, यू आर गुड चिल्ड्रन. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, और सिखाएंगे आपको, देखना. हाँ, वंडरफुल. यू कैन सिट डाउन बेटा. यू कैन सिट डाउन. You are enjoying? Beautiful. What's your name?
My name is Jen.
Oh, you have any girlfriend?
No.
Oh, I have my.
One boy has.
Oh, you should have girlfriends, man.
No, I don't.
Oh. See, Tiger, see India. Welcome to India. Enjoy. हाँ बेटा, कम. आ जाओ बेटा, आ जाओ बेटा. वीडियो बन रही है, आपको कल से आपको भी इंक्लूड करेंगे.
Okay.
हाँ, so
हमारे पास ऑलरेडी चैनल है.
हाँ बेटा, what's your good name? What's your? Oh बेटा, don't move the camera. I'm making videos for my foreigner friends. हाँ, अंग्रेजों के लिए बना रहा हूँ बेटा. कैमरा नहीं, कैमरे से अलग हो जाओ बेटा. I'm making videos for my American friends, African friends. They'll come here.
I know, he is also African.
Oh, Negroes. Oh, very good friends. So I have many friends.
I know Papa has a girlfriend.
Oh,
You have a girlfriend.
oh, good. Ah. Come. Come here. Oh, very good.
Hi, guys.
Don't disturb the camera. You're very good children.
Uncle, do you make videos on YouTube or Instagram or Snapchat?
ये सब मैं शेयर करूंगा बेटा YouTube पे और you can see this video yourself on Facebook.
अच्छा आप अपने YouTube का नाम बता
हाँ मेरा नाम है महायोगी विनोदानंद.
हमारे पास भी चैनल है
Oh, on Facebook you can see you can see yourself.
No, we have channel in YouTube.
Oh,
We have channel in
On
YouTube.
YouTube you can go Mahayogi Vinodanand.
And we have 20 subscribers.
Okay, I'll come down. I'll talk to you. Okay, should I come down?
Yes.
Okay, I'll talk to you. We'll make it fun, you know. Oh, wonderful.
How do we do this?
Wow, wonderful. Oh, great. Oh, welcome. See, tigers, yoga tigers. I'm talking to my American friends. So here we are. Say, see the children.
My channel's name is Varya.
Oh, very good.
My channel's name is Adrit Javan.
Oh, we are all friends. Oh, well, so we'll be practicing yoga here. Headstand for us together. Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so Tiger, so it's a message. Welcome to India. See, the
Ronaldo.
all my children, see here, full of exuberance. This is yoga. Yoga is not merely drooping your heads like this, sitting cross-legged. So you can meet me on the YouTube, Mahayogi Vinodanand. Okay, we'll be practicing every morning, every evening here.
I
So-
can do this.
Oh, so I told you don't miss dusk and dawn. Your Sushma is automatically open. It's a gift from the Mother Goddess, channel of knowledge, which yogis are striving to open. Oh, in the jungles, in the caves. So all the best. This is all for the day. And remember, after your headstand, never to forget, come in Balasana. When you are doing headstand for hours together or even minutes together, you have to come Bal. Bal means children. Don't forget that you may have brain hemorrhage like this. You see, fold it like this. Yeah. So this is Balasana. I'll be going now in my posture, coast posture. So, enjoy it a lot. Okay, Tiger Harlan, be with us with the college students. We'll be sharing wonderful things and let the world learn. Let's share the most dearest of the rare kriyas. KVOG Vinodanand welcomes you to Sector 19A. It's a garden, it's a philanthropic venture, absolutely free. Perceive Samadhi within 6 months. All the best. May God bless you. Oh, thanks for watching me. Om Namah Shivaya.